How to add money or funds to your Robinhood account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from How to Geek. In today's video, I will show you how you can deposit money from your bank to your Robinhood. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first, I just want you to launch the Robinhood app and tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon, here you'll see this kind of interface. Just select the option that says transfers. Once you go to transfers, you can say linked accounts, which means that if you have not already linked a bank account, you have to go ahead and select the option that says add new account. But in my case, I've already linked it, as you can see, one of the SoFi Money bank accounts. So I'll just select that. Once you do that, you'll see the transfer section at the very top of the screen. Here you have to select the option that says transfer to Robinhood. And as you tap on transfer to Robinhood, again you have to select the bank or the initiator from where you want to send it to and deposit your funds from. And here you have to simply select there and enter the amount that you want to deposit. You can also choose an automatic deposit, which means just once, weekly, twice a month, monthly or quarterly. But for now, we'll just select just once and tap on the set schedule button at the bottom of the screen. Once you've done so, it'll ask you for a confirmation again. Deposit this much amount to Robinhood from this specific bank and tap on the button that says submit deposit, which is at the bottom of the screen. As soon as you've done that, you can see it says deposit has been initiated. Now keep in mind that deposit may actually take up to 3 to 5 business days in order to initiate it and then load the funds into your account. But once you tap on the continue, you also have the option that says instant deposit, which means that while your money is on its way, you've got access to up to $100 of investable funds to use on Robinhood. Not withdrawable, but you can only invest as long as you don't get the funds in your account, and just tap on done. Once you've done so and you come back to your home page, you can see the funds has been deposited into your account, which is actually investable, as you can see the buying power funds as well. And that's all it takes to deposit or add funds to your Robinhood. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.